Welcome back to my channel. My name's Adriana, and this is a space where I love to share recipes with you that I love, especially plant-based Mexican food. And today is no exception. I want to share with you another recipe that might surprise you that actually has some history within Mexican cuisine, that of leche de avena or oat milk. For this recipe, we're going to need 3 pitted dates, a pinch of sea salt, 3/4 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, 1/3 cup of pecans, and 30 ounces of cold water. When I was growing up, my mom actually gave us something very similar to an oat milk that you might see at a grocery store. During the winter times, when it was cold, she would actually blend up hot water with a lot of oats and a little bit of cinnamon, and it would turn out to be this delicious fibrous drink, very much like an oat milk, except it actually had the fiber. And this isn't really something that's only in my family. It's something that you might not see at a grocery store or a restaurant in Mexico, but a lot of families have some type of recipe similar to this. In some states, it can be served warm, and in other states, they actually pulverize the ingredients and make it into a refreshing cold drink. So although you might not have known this, we've been drinking our own type of oat milk in Mexico for quite some time. So there you have it, leche de avena or oat milk. I hope you learned something from this recipe, and I also hope that you really try out this recipe at home. If you do, don't forget to comment down below how you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so that you don't miss any future episodes. Buen provecho.